Hey everybody, sorry it's kind of dark on the face here, but the light is not all that great down here, but I gotta pick a Bricklink order here, and I'll just show you how I do it as I go. Gotta do this one for a quote, so I figure might as well do it and show you how I do it. 129 and 29, I want 2, that clears that one out. 139, I don't have my glasses on so I can't see what I'm doing. 139 here. All 5. All 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 at 157. 57. Yeah. 5. Decided to go into another bin. So put F on that, and F on that means it's free. The bin number is free. 174. One. And that's a free, bin is a free number. 186 times 1. I don't know why my clips are not. 186. Another free bin. Bin 78 times 2. 78. Times 2. That's a free bin. Wow. Cleaning my bins out. That's good. I like that. Bin 90. Oh, same box. Another free bin. 98. Bins numbers are getting all out of whack here, but that's okay. I want 2 of them, and they are the medium azure, azures, or whatever you want to call them. 1, 2. And okay, we'll get the instruction page the last, and that's the end of the order. One more to get, and it's in M5. So it's 1. M5. M5. Medium-sized box. And it's the reddish brown one. And that one's done. Oh. Instructions 41002. Probably in your friend's bag. idea. That's a cool little set. I like that one. Actually, it's funny because I have that set built and I used it for other stuff. I took it out for parts for myself for something else. I mean, I have my own set, but I used it in my Star Wars diorama. So it was completely different from that. So that is all picked. I'll put them into little baggies, put the weight scale on it, and we will send the quote off. Okay, so let's do the baggie thing. So that can go in as that is. That's a big bag, that's large. I'm trying to separate the bags as I go, because put these all on their sides. What I'm trying to do is keep it under 2 centimeters. Got to keep it under 2 centimeters thickness in order to get it through the post. So that's that. And now I'm going to seal it. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll print this off again, the parts list. I will put all this stuff in it, in the package, make sure it's taped to it, keep it nice and flat, put it in an envelope, and get the price quote for the shipping. So that is your picked BrickLink order. Thanks for shopping at Twoloosebricks and Land of Bricks.